Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thanks to the universe for this beautiful day. Welcome to Fluent English with M I Shah. Do you want to speak English fluently and confidently in any situation? Whether it's daily conversations, meetings, or social interactions, I have got you covered. Here I teach you how to speak English naturally without overthinking grammar. Just simple, effective, and fun learning. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Welcome back today on day 3 of our 30-day English challenge. We are going to talk about something very important, English sentence structure. We will learn the difference between simple, compound, and complex sentence. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use this structure confidently in your daily conversations. What is the simple sentence? Let's start with simple sentence. A simple sentence consists of just one independent clause. It has a subject and a verb, and it expresses a complete thought. For example, she reads books. I like coffee. These are simple sentences. They are short, clear, and to the point. Number 2. What is the compound sentence? Next, we have compound sentence. A compound sentence has two independent clauses connected by a coordinating conjunction like and but or so. For example, I wanted to go for a walk, but it started raining. He plays the guitar and she sings. This sentence shows the relationship between two ideas. Number 3. What is the complex sentence? Now let's move to the complex sentence. A complex sentence consists one or of independent clause and at least one independent clause. A depend clause can't stand alone, and it usually starts with a subordinating conjunction like because, although, or if. For example, I stayed at home because it was raining. Although she was tired, she finished her work. This sentence shows a more detailed connection between ideas. Example and practice. Let's practice. Try making your own simple, compound, and complex sentence. For example, simple sentence. The cat sleeps. Compound sentence. I like reading and I enjoy writing. Complex sentence. I went to the park because it was sunny. Pause the video and take a moment to practice creating sentence. You can write them down or say them out loud. That's it for today. By understanding simple, compound, and complex sentence, you can make your English more varied and interesting. Practice this sentence structure daily and you will see an improvement in your fluency. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to continue your English learning journey with us. See you tomorrow for day 4.